3 on your racing card. Gates open, they're up and racing. Lady wants to know, moving up by the rail is Pinay Beauty, Amazing Migs. Moving up by the rail to take the lead in between runners, Game Changer. Then followed by Windy Hour in between runners, Extraordinary. While the favorite, Lorkis Tower, is running at the tail of the field past the half-mile pole with Amazing Migs by about 2 lengths. Game Changer running in second, racing in third. Lady Wants to Know, Pinay Beauty, then followed by Extraordinary, Lorkis Tower, Windy Hour. As they race at the last 450, it's still Amazing Mix by about 4 lengths. Running in second is Game Changer, Lady Wants to Know. Moving up on the outside, Extraordinary, Lorkis Tower. And down the stretch they come, Amazing Mix, this time by about 4 lengths. Game Changer moving up, Extraordinary, Lorkis Tower with 75 meters of the race. Amazing Mix doing it from start to finish. Second, Lorkis Tower, then comes Game Changer, Extraordinary 4A, Lady Wants to Know, Pinay Beauty, and Windy Hour.
Mukhang dihado yun ah.